Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and the long-awaited drip box has arrived. There was a little snafu in the subscription box for this particular box, but it is finally here. So let's do the unboxing. I've already cut the tape, but this is what the box looks like. It always has pretty awesome decoration. And this is from Cookie Sticker Co. It's cookiestickerco.com. And let's see what is in here. So I've seen some comments, some posts from Cookie Sticker Co. on this box, but I tried to ignore them, and I understand that it came late and everything, but I'm okay with that. I'm not a stickler for things like that. I'm not going to get upset over that. I knew that I would eventually get the box, and I got it. So, and it came at a perfect time, actually. So this already is beautiful. It reminds me of vampire type deal. I know that's probably not what was intended, but we are right around the corner from October, so yeah, it's very fitting. So let's see what's inside. Let's just take everything out of the box. Woo! This paper, tissue paper, is beautiful. They always do an excellent job with the packaging at Cookie Sticker Co. It's always worth keeping and using for something else. So let's set that aside. I'm gonna move these over. So we're gonna do this. Oh, I'm not gonna do that one first. Let's do this one first. This is an enamel pen, I think. Okay, what is this? I'm not sure what this is. And that might be a good reason for me to start watching the reveals and stuff, because I don't know what stuff is. But like I said, I want to be surprised. Okay, so this is a diamond magnet. Oh, okay. So I see what happened. The magnet broke. The magnet that's actually holding it onto the paper broke. And that can happen with these disc magnets, in case you didn't know. But yeah, this is a magnet. And this piece is broke. So that's not good. Let's see. Will it stick without it? I guess it won't stick without it. It's weird. So I don't know how that's supposed to work. Let's see. Do I have a paper clip or something? So it doesn't work without this piece. So I don't know how I'm supposed to use that. I might contact them about the magnet being broke. We'll see. I don't know if it's that important to me or not. I'll think about it. Okay, the next thing we have here is this pen. It's pretty, it's red, and I already know that I like the pens from Cookie Sticker Co. They are nice. They write well, so we're not even going to test the pen because we've done it before. But this is what the pen looks like. It's red with silver starburst type of stars, I guess you would call those. Then we have, let's do this. Then we have this ruler, which is cute. This would be perfect in a planner, I think. Let's see what it's made out of. It would be awesome if it was metal, because I do need a small metal ruler, but it is plastic. It does have the protective cover on it, and it says Cookie Sticker Co. It has inches and centimeters, so that's good. I wonder if it's good for tearing washi. And then we have another one of these. I think this is a metal bookmark. Yeah, so it would go, oh, let me get a planner. So this would fit on the page like this, I think. like that. Very nice. Very nice quality. Drip Gang. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Let's go on and do this one. I think I better save that bag. These are sticky notes. I'm pretty sure. So they are red with like a silver foil look to them. I guess they go like this. They have a little diamond print on them, and they are red vellum. So they are vellum sticky notes. Okay. Keep that. Let's save that. Let's look at these. These are the sticker flakes die cut sticker pack. So this is what they look like. She's cute and professional. I really got to start using these sticker flakes. There she is with the diamonds. This one is Louis Vuitton. Another LV. And then this one. Hopefully you can see those without too much glare. They're not glossy, which I like. They have a satiny finish. So they're not completely matte. They're kind of satiny. They feel really nice. So those are the die cut stickers. I gotta get to this because I know y'all already peeped it. Off to the side. What is this? It's very heavy. So it feels like it's pretty nice quality. This would be awesome if it was a planner, but I'm pretty sure that it's not. It's an album. Oh. Okay, so it goes this way. It's so heavy and good quality. It's not flimsy at all. So I wonder if the Cookie Sticker Co. stickers fit in here. That would be great because I don't have enough storage, and I would like to keep all of my Cookie Sticker Co. stickers together. So here they are for this box. Let's see if I can get them out. So here we go. This is the kit. If you broke and in my business, then just shut up. Okay. Okay. Very sassy quotes. The diamonds and the dolls. These are box stickers, the weekend stickers. This is the sheet with the different shape stickers that we talk about every time that I do an unboxing. This one I can see the stickers a little bit better actually. So you got different boxes and corners and shapes. So for instance, that shape box there. There we go. This kind of triangular rounded shape here. Then you get some teardrops, and what else is that? It's kind of like some banner flags down at the bottom. So it's just a variety of different shape items. These are the day of the week covers. It's 3 different fonts, 3 colors. You got the drip box stickers and checklist stickers down here at the bottom in black, red, and silver. Very pretty. Then these, planning to get my bag, minding the business that pays me. These are the doll stickers. I don't know what's going on outside. People next door are making a lot of noise. And then these are the drip stickers and the emoticons. So these are drips. Let's see if I can peel one off. This is that vinyl-y type sticker paper. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Okay. So that is everything. Oh, no. So that is the kit. And I'm going to see if I can slide this in here. Just see how it goes. Please tell me that this actually fits in here. It does. It's probably not meant to put the whole kit in one sleeve, but it does fit very snugly. I'm probably not supposed to put the whole kit in there like that, but I want to be able to keep all of my kits together. So now I will go back and pull out my other ones and add them in. I think I have 3 other ones. Is this the 4th kit? I'm not sure, but I have this one, and I have this one. I hope I got all the pieces. And then there's one more, the Bumblebee kit. This one, my favorite. Let's get all the pieces out. So now I just need to store all of these in here. So I'll put all of those in later, but yeah. Now I have somewhere to keep all of my Cookie Sticker Co. goodies. Oh, I'm trying too hard. It actually snapped really easily. Okay, so that is that. And then last but not least, respect the drip, is the washi. So let's see what we've got. Take the card out. Very cute. All right, let's start with the white edge. Okay, it is silver and white washi. So it has the silver foil drip. See that? Then we've got silver and red. And then we've got black and silver. And this is like that's a glittery silver. It's not just a flat silver. I don't think it's coming through on the camera, but that's what it is. And then this is the lined washi. I don't know what this line is called, but it's the lined washi, and it has the diamonds, the diamond pattern in the background. So that is everything from the drip box. Here's all the washi together. So that's what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think I got some really cute things. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.